Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Sign with Foluke. If you're just new on this channel, you're highly welcome. This is a place where learning sign language is made easy and inclusive. So don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notification bell for more learning videos. Let's get started. So today we are going to be signing simple words, 2-letter words. O-N, on, I-T, it, S-O, so, O-R, or, and so on. So for O-N, on, I-T, it, I-T, it, A-T, at, A-T, at, O-R, or, O-R, O, O-F, off, O-F, off, U-P, up, U-P, up, S-O, so. So there are some 2-letter words you have to finger spell, like so, an, A-M, so if I'm signing I am, I am, in. So this is a few signs we are going to sign today. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notification bell